Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today's video is like how to prepare a perfect resume, how to draft a resume. See guys, basically resume is the main part of your interview. For a successful interview, resume is really important aspect. See, because interview will have at least 100 resumes of copies with him. Among them, your resume should be very attractive. It should look very attractive, so that out of so many resumes, he should select one among you. And in your resume you should have certain points mentioned which makes the interviewer who is going through the resume, he should not find it difficult to check the information. It should be available at the point, at the sight of his eyes. Everything should be available. First you have to check the proper format of preparing the resume. There will be number of formats available in Google and all. You can go and search, but among them select something which is really trendy. First select the proper format of resume which is really very trendy and which looks really attractive and information is at the point. Then secondly, you have to add your personal information. See, as I have showed a picture in this, you can see the personal information is given to the right hand side of the resume, so it becomes very easy for the interviewer to look out. Then you have to mention your professional summary, like you can do this, your objectives or career objectives, which is really important. You have to give the heading as professional summary and or objectives or something. Then you can start preparing the resume. Important among them is mention educational qualification, whatever you have studied, when did you pass out, what is the percentage, everything has to be mentioned. You can just see the example which I have provided you. Just go through it. You can get a lot of ideas. Then list out relevant experience or something. If you're carrying any experience or skills are really very important. Just list out skills which are really required for the job. Just go through the job description, select a few skills which are wanted by the interviewer. You can add that also. Apart from that, you can add any information or documents which are required by the interviewer, like your marks cards or cover letters or anything. If it is required, it is not compulsory, it is optional. If it is required, you can add them. Before taking out a print, just proofread the resume. I mean, just check the spellings. There should not be any single spelling mistake, guys, because it will be judged. Okay, so you just check it and then save it and take it a print. So this was the video today. I hope it is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Till then, we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching the video.